This video is on how to thread a Elna 2004 sewing machine. So we'll start with putting the spool of thread on one of the spool pins up here. These two spool pins pull up and down so that you can use two spools of thread if you're doing twin needle stitching. If you're just doing single needle stitching, you can use either spool pin to hold the spool for your thread. Bring your thread under the first thread guide here. Then bring it down, go back up, and then around this thread take-up lever and back down the same groove. Then through this thread guide at the top of the needle, there's two thread guides at the top of the needle here. You can go through either one. They're meant for one for either thread when you're doing twin needle stitching. It doesn't matter which one you go through if you have a single needle. Then thread your needle from front to back. I'm going to put the presser foot down just to get it out of the way while I thread the needle. For the bobbin on this machine, insert the bobbin into the bobbin case so that the thread is going the same direction as this little groove on the side of the bobbin case. So it should be going like this. Hold the thread tail, pull it through the groove and underneath the bobbin tension spring. Then pull this little tab out and hold it out. Once you have the bobbin case inserted, hold the top thread and turn the hand wheel toward you. Stay there. One full cycle, and you can pull up the bobbin thread. Close the door and you're ready to sew.